it's another year. Just keep moving. Oh, look with them for the strength today. Listen enough for the voice to say. Just keep moving. Figure it out, but don't stop moving. Go, figure it out, you can do this. So my love, keep on running. We gotta get through today. Yeah, my love, keep on running. Gotta keep those tears at bay.
I'm Monique Sheriffe. I'm a freelance dancer / choreographer, and I've come in today to teach the kids a commercial piece. I feel like they're enjoying it. They seem happy with it. I can tell that they're wanting to learn, they're wanting to do it, they're wanting to pick it up, because I've seen them working on it on themselves when I've given them a break. And yeah, I'm enjoying it because they're a really nice bunch.
I really enjoyed today because we got to express ourselves creatively during the piece and show our emotions within it.
It's taught me a new style of dance because I've never really done like this sort of dancing before.
Gotta get through today. Yeah, my love, keep on running. Gotta keep those tears at bay.